This is Alicia back with the Desert Winds how-to knitting videos. We are going to do the psso, P-S-S-O, which stands for pass, slip, stitch, over. Okay? And the way that goes is that you take the stitch from your left needle and put it on your right needle. You don't knit it, you don't frill it, you just do a slip stitch, which you should have seen in one of the earlier videos if you're unfamiliar with it. Then you do whatever you're going to do to the next stitch. So this could be a knit, this could be knit two together. I'm just going to do a knit here. And then the stitch that you had just flipped over onto the right needle, you have go over the stitch that you just created. Now, sometimes this is just used as a simple decrease by 1. Sometimes this is actually used to decrease by 3. So here's another one. I will pass the stitch over. I will knit 2 together. And then this one, being my slip stitch, I have going over and off of the knit 2 together. And this actually creates kind of an interesting little triangle because I decreased 3 stitches down to 1. But that is the PSSO, slip stitch over.